A vital resource is now being made available to underserved communities in the East Valley. A testing site opened up this afternoon in Mecca, and that's where we find News Channel 3's Shelby Nelson. She is live there for us tonight. And Shelby, we understand that the testing just ended.
That's right, Karen. The testing ended at 6 o'clock. It started at 3, but of course people were able to come out here and get tested. And of course, this is a little different than what we've seen with county testing, but this was a donation-based testing site, and it allowed 200 people. It has 200 tests for people, but it was free and it did not require appointments. And I am right now joined by Congressman Dr. Raul Ruiz, who is here right now, and he has been conducting some of those tests. Doctor, tell me what the process is for people to get tested here.
Well, it's very important that the farm workers get tested because they're such an essential component of our essential workforce to feed us all, not only here but across America. So individuals would come in, they would get a health screening. Those that have our high symptoms would go one location, those with low symptoms would go another. We have a lot of nursing students and medical students that are doing health checkups and also providing public health information for them. After that, they go in the back and they get a test with a pharyngeal throat swab.
Okay. And I also know that, we spoke earlier on this, but we've talked about, the East Valley has some vulnerable populations out here. Can you speak to that a little bit and why that's so important for these people to have this availability to them?
Yeah, well, we already have barriers to access health care out in the East Valley and other locations where you see a lot of poverty. One is that they don't have cars to drive to the drive-through areas. They work during the drive-through hours. Furthermore, there's a lack of doctors, lack of insurance, and lack of ability to pay for health care. That's why a lot of the communities here have high rates of diabetes, high rates of asthma, which put them at risk for severe illness for COVID-19. And we're seeing that with poor Latino African American communities dying at a larger rate than other communities due to COVID-19. That's why we're so happy that Volunteers in Medicine, KPC Healthcare Systems, and the local nursing and medical school students are here donating their time out of their own goodwill to come and help do this important outreach. If they can't come to the drive-through, this group will go to the community and where they're at and give them the services they need.
All right. Thank you so much, Congressman Dr.
Thank
Raul
you.
Ruiz. And, of course, this testing site will also be available on Friday up until those 200 tests are gone. Live in Mecca, Shelby Nelson, News Channel 3.